When it comes to a kitchen remodel, the most expensive part is often the cabinetry. Custom cabinets can easily take up 25 to 30% of your entire budget due to material costs, intricate designs, and skilled installation. Following that, high-end appliances and countertops, especially quartz or granite, can significantly increase your total cost. Labor is another major factor, particularly in cities like Phoenix, where experienced contractors are in high demand. The best way to manage your kitchen remodel budget is through thoughtful planning. Consider blending custom and stock cabinets, selecting mid-range appliances, and working with a trusted contractor who can guide you through cost-saving decisions. For expert remodeling help you can count on, reach out to Infinity Builders, Phoenix Remodeling and Construction at 2930 East Camelback Road, Phoenix, Arizona, 85016. Call 602-888-0898 or visit infinitybuilderses.com.